Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by drying and lightly salting the chicken so the crumbs stick. This promotes crisping. Once done, arrange a 3-bowl station. Season flour, beaten eggs with 1 tsb water and breadcrumbs mixed with salt and pepper. Dip in that order: flour, egg, crumbs pressing to adhere. Make sure to work on a rack or tray to rest pieces. This firms the coating and prevents soggy spots. Do this immediately to keep momentum and temperature consistent. Now focus on the how. Press the crumbs firmly into the chicken, especially around edges and any folds because gaps cause peeling. Once pressed, choose panko for extra crunch or fine crumbs for uniform brown color. Both work, but textures differ. After coating, chill the pieces for 10 to 15 minutes. This step sets the bind between egg and crumbs and reduces oil absorption. While chilling, heat oil to the right temperature so you move straight into cooking without losing crispness. Finish by cooking to a safe internal temp of 165 degrees F. Fry in oil at 325 to 350 degrees and flip once, or bake at 400 degrees for 18 to 25 minutes after a light oil spray for browning. Once done, rest briefly on a rack. This keeps the crust crisp and juices sealed. If the coating peels or falls off, it usually means the dredge was too wet or oil too cool. Make adjustments. Re-dry, re-dredge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.